Hey friends, Julie here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I purged and cleaned and organized my laundry room, which is really more of a laundry closet. I did a video like this last year and I actually decorated it and everything last year, so I will leave a link to that down below and up here in the cards. But I had to redo it because it's been a year and it's in between the door we use all the time to go out into the garage, which actually leads out to the driveway. That's just like the way we always go. And it's like near my kitchen and the living room area. And so it has become a dumping ground for everything. If someone's coming over, throw everything in the closet, in the laundry room closet, and it's like a hoarder room. It's really bad. So you will see that in the before footage that I will be sharing with you. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video as I get my laundry room organized and cleaned for you. I will have a second part to this video where I actually show you how I maintain my washer and dryer by cleaning it and maintaining it. We've had these Maytag washer and dryers for, my husband and I were talking about it, we think about 12 to 13 years, and they are amazing. We love them. We will definitely buy Maytag again. But I do give you a couple little tips on how I maintain it and keep it clean. That will be coming up next week or maybe later this week. I haven't decided. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and let's get to cleaning. So I just placed all the things that belong in other places in my house in separate baskets, one for upstairs, one for the basement, one for the main floor and the garage. And then I also have one entire trash bag full of garbage. And here is the after of my laundry closet. It can be so hard to find the motivation to tackle the messier parts of our home, but if you tackle them one pile at a time and one space at a time, it is truly rewarding. If you need more organizational motivation, check out these other videos. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.